Hey Dave, it's Austin with GPS and Track. I wanted to show you the trackers. You can see them here. And then I wanted to go over some pricing and show you kind of how the platform works. So this is our 5-year wireless waterproof tracker. And then this is the waterproof hardwired tracker. So this first one I'm about to show you, it is our hardwired tracker. It's right here. So it's going to show you the last time it updated. It's going to give you a battery reading, so it'll let you know if that battery's getting low. And then if it hits a certain point, it'll send you a tamper alert because if someone's trying to cut power or something like that, it, the tracker's going to alert you and let you know. So if in case of a theft situation or something, you can act on it pretty quickly. It has a locate on demand button. So it's going to give you every start location, every stop location, and then it has that locate on demand button. It also has after hour alerts and geofence alerts. So you go over here, click the geofence, and then you can mess around with the radius, make it as big or, as small as you want. And then this is the 5-year tracker, the 5-year battery tracker. It's also going to show you, right here. Sorry about that. So it's going to show you the battery percentage on the tracker to let you know battery's getting low, we need to replace it. Or it's also going to show you the last time it updated. And then there's that geofence feature again. So both of the trackers work kind of similarly. Obviously, the 5 years just going to have a little less detail, for the pricing. So this one is going to be, the 5-year battery is going to be $240. And that $240 is going to include the tracker, obviously, 3 years, your first 3 years of service, and then a 3-year warranty on the tracker. So essentially around $80 a year to keep track of your car hauler. And then after that, it's just $20. And then the hardwired unit is going to be $149, and that $149 gets you the tracker, 2 years of service, and then after those 2 years, you're looking at $20 a year again to renew the service. There is a 2-year warranty. If you have any more questions or if you want to dive a little bit more or see some more features, let me know. I can make another video. But if you have any questions, let me know. My direct number is 480-604-54. Yep, you have a good one. See ya. Oh, hey. Yeah, I'm Austin with GPS and Track. I'm in the office today. If you want to give me a call, my number is 480-604-5448, or you can stop on by and we can give you a live presentation.